Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. Thanks so much for joining in. So today I will be making kofta, which is a meatball-based curry. I love this recipe. My mom taught me how to make it a week before I got married, and 6 years later, I'm still making it every week or every other week. And my kids love this meal too. So I make my kofta with ground chicken, but you are welcome to use ground beef as well. It will give you a little bit of a different flavor, but oh, it's so good. You guys have to try this recipe. Let's get started.
We're going to take one onion and chop it up. Save half the onion and dice that up for the meat mixture. Add in your vegetable oil to the pan and throw in the onions. Stir in the onions and we'll let that set until they turn golden brown. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, combine the ground beef. In this case, I'm using ground chicken, guys. Half a diced onion, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon garam masala, and half a teaspoon of the red chili pepper. Make sure to keep an eye on the onions. We want them to be a nice golden brown and not burnt. We're going to add in the tomatoes now, and we're going to stir and simmer them until they are soft and mushy, basically. I'm adding in about a quarter cup of water just because my tomatoes started sticking. Add in 1 heaping tablespoon of garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add half a teaspoon of red chili pepper and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Stir this all together and simmer it down, and this creates the masala mixture for the kofta. I tend to use the back of my wooden spoon to smush the tomatoes down. This is how the masala mixture should look. Back to our meat mixture. Incorporate everything using your clean hands. Also, if you prefer upping the heat factor in your meatballs, add 1 to 2 chopped up green chili peppers. I did not do this because my kids don't like heat. I dip my hands in water before touching the meat because I find that it makes the meat stick less to my hands. This mixture will make about 10 to 12 meatballs. Let's just check on the masala once more. It's really simmered down and it's perfect. Now we'll add the meatballs to the pan. I prefer using a wide-based pan because we can create a single layer of the meatballs rather than layering them on top of each other. Once all of the meatballs are in, we'll add half a cup of water and we're going to take the lid and cover it. Did you see? I did not stir anything yet. After about 10 minutes of being covered, the meatballs should have firmed up. Now we will give them a quick stir. At this point, you can continue cooking on medium heat for another 10 minutes until the kofta or meatballs have become a very nice deep brown. Like this. I like when my curries have more of a water base, so I added half a cup of water there. And there we have it. The kofta are ready. You can serve with brown rice or, as I'm doing here, cauliflower rice, and sprinkle with cilantro and dig in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you'd like to see more types of these videos in the future, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments below. If you do end up making this kofta recipe, please tag me on Instagram at Kashmiri Foodie, and maybe you'll be featured on my Insta story. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys.